Hi friends, today I want to unbox with you my 2022 goal planner that I received from Yop Tom. As you can see, the packaging here is from Amazon. I will leave a link below if you're interested in purchasing an undated goal planner like this one. Alternatively, you can also visit their website at yopandtom.com and purchase your own with my discount code Positive Thoughts for 10% off your purchase. As you can see, the color of my notebook here is the sunshine yellow. I believe they also have two other colors you can choose, which is the forest green and also the charcoal. I really like this yellow because it perfectly matches my current bullet journal from Macy Lane Co. And also, I think the color yellow is just more happy and makes you more excited about planning out your goals and also ultimately achieving them. Let me know in the comments below if you also feel the same way, or is there a different color that more so motivates you? As you can see from the cover here, this is an undated goal planner. It has 52 weekly layouts, but it doesn't mean that you have to start it right away on the first day of the year. But for me, I think given that the year is just around the corner, I will likely be starting mine for January 1st, 2022. This is one of the main reasons why I like these type of planners, because I'm not obligated to have to start at a particular time. As we open the notebook, the first thing we're going to see is that there is a thank you card. And on that thank you card, it says that they are proud to offer an 100% satisfaction guarantee with all of their products. So if you have any issues, you can always contact them. As we turn the page, I noticed that there are 3 ribbons. They come in the same colors as the notebooks, which is the yellow, the forest green, and the charcoal. These ribbons will come in very handy as we use the notebook to plan out our goals. As I turn to the very back of the notebook, I noticed that there isn't a back pocket. This is not really a big issue for me, but I just wanted to note it for those of you that care about having a back pocket. As you can tell here, the elastic band matches perfectly with the color of the notebook, which is something that I really like. Now let's just explore the notebook a little bit more from the inside. In the front, they kind of go through how to use this notebook. It describes what is the power of 3 and how to use this planner. The first quote I see here is "Begin with the end in mind," one of my favorite quotes as well. Next, we go into the yearly review, and then the yearly focus, and then we have a 3-month goal planner. And then we have the 1-month goal planners. There's also a section here for you to reflect on your goals, which I think is essential. For those who love bullet journaling, there are also pages at the end here for you to do bullet journaling. And what I love the most is this section, which is the examples. It shows you exactly how to use the book and how do you come up with your goals and how do you achieve your goals in the end. That concludes our unboxing today of this undated planner. I would love to hear your comments, questions, or suggestions about this planner, and I would love to work through this planner with you going forward into the new year. And before we go, I would also want to show you here. This is my Macy Lane Positive Thoughts bullet journal. See how it is also yellow, and I think it perfectly matches this Power of 3 Goals notebook as well. What do you think? Also, if goal setting is not really your thing because you don't want to dedicate a whole planner to it, this is the bullet journal that Yop Tom also produces, and you can also pick this up. It's fairly reasonably priced and the quality is very good. This is one that I've had for a while, and as you can tell, I do a lot of doodling, how-to doodles in this notebook. Inside this bullet journal, it also comes with a grid guide, which I really love because I know exactly how to space out all of the sections within this notebook. It comes with one ribbon that matches the color of the notebook and an elastic band that matches the color as well. As you can tell with this, there is a back pocket for you to store anything else, such as stickers. One last thing I really enjoy about these notebooks is that it is numbered, and also there is guides on the page directly showing you how to divide the page into 4s. And that is the end of my unboxing and review of both of these notebooks. Thank you for watching.